Got water damage? You might be asking, what do I do now? If you are like most people, you probably never expected to have this problem. What you do right now is critical. I will keep this video short. If you can stop the source of the leak, do it. If you don't know what to do, pick up the phone and call us. Call us right now. The number is on the screen. Water plus electricity is extremely dangerous. If you can do it safely, turn off the electricity to that part of your home or your entire home if needed. Your next step is to call your insurance company and let them know you have a problem that needs immediate attention. You need to get that water out as quickly as possible. It only takes 72 hours for a flood problem to become an expensive mold problem. You need to act right now. Now, we are here 24/7 to help you through the process. If you are a homeowner with a flood, please call us immediately. If you are a renter, please contact your homeowner and tell them to call us immediately. We are standing by to help you.